Tool lots, reliable equipment, fast.
Hi, my name is Kyle and today I'm going to be introducing KALIFON's KR23 refrigerator. This is their all stainless steel model. It comes with a storage capacity of 20 cubic feet. The dimensions are 27 inches in width, 82 inches in height, and 31 inches in depth. This is a low consuming unit at 420 watts. It comes standard with 4 casters, 2 lockable in the front, which make it easy to maneuver. Some of the other features, it's 110 volts, 60 hertz, so it's readily adaptable for the US market. It also comes standard with an auto remaining open door at 90 degrees. Anything less than 90 degrees, the door will auto close. Some other features you're also going to get standard with this unit is you have the 4 shelves that come with adjustable heights, so you have different slots inside the container of the refrigerator. It also has a controllable temperature display unit, and the standard operating ranges are 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is at an ambient temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes standard with an interior LED light to help illuminate your products when the machine is plugged in. So if you'd like to know more about this product, please check us out at toollots.com.
Tool lots, reliable equipment.